Vern, why are you here at the Homeless Connect?
Because I'm looking for a new place because they priced me out of the home I'm in, the apartment. They just upped my rent. It starts in April and it's like $100 more than I'm paying. I just can't afford it because my Social Security didn't go up, but my rent did.
So how long have you been in the place that you're in right now?
Going on 6 years.
So if you can't find a new place, you're going to lose your place of 6 years.
Yeah, in my house, my voucher, my Washington voucher, because you have to do it in a certain length of time. And if I can't find somebody that'll take it.
Okay. Have you ever been homeless before?
Yes.
For how long?
Well, 2 months one time with my daughter. We lived on the river out in Lewiston, Idaho.
How did you find out about the Homeless Connect today?
My daughter's mom found it online.
So you glad you're here?
Yes.
All right.
Gotta get some leads to something else, something better.
Patricia, why are you at the Homeless Connect today?
Well, I've been homeless so far since November, living in my car. And before becoming homeless, I was living in a place that just raised the rent for November and couldn't afford it on my own. So I'm trying to find something that's reasonable for my price. It's been really rough. I'm working. I work full time, but the rent and stuff is like raising so outrageous that we can't afford it.
Good to see you.
Being a single person, it's really hard being on the streets and stuff.
So how did you find out about the Homeless Connect?
I am working with Goodwill. They gave me the flyer to come here, try to see if there's more help.